Hello my friend. Okay, I'm going to show you the interfaces. Okay, wait, let me just put it out. This is section A. It's nicely done. See the lines? It's aligned. Okay, now we move to section B. There, it's also nicely done. I can do it again for you if you want. I'll show you how I do it. Just there. Okay. Yeah, see the line? It's aligned. Now lock. Okay. So that's section B. Here, this is section C. There is no connection. And here, this is section D. Okay. Okay, it's a good connection too. I can do it again for you. There, the lines are aligned, and then we lock. Okay, and then slide in gently. Thank you.